Welcome to Onsite Utility Services Capital. In this presentation, we'll be discussing Power Management Optimization, our unique power management solution that solves your building's power issues, reduces energy spend, and improves your building's value, all without requiring any capital or debt. So, what exactly is the impact of poor power quality anyway? Well, buildings and facilities waste billions of dollars each year because of power quality issues. $35 billion is lost each year through increased equipment maintenance and repair costs, and an additional $38 billion is lost each year from wasted energy spend as a direct result of those power grid issues. Improving power quality conditions. Benefits include lowering kW and kVAR consumption, reduced amps and heat levels, balancing of phases, and more. You know when you have good power quality, when there are no disturbances in your power supply. All the power coming into your building or facility is stable and consistent. Any problems in the stability, frequency, voltage, or the current of your building's power supply can cause your electronic equipment to operate incorrectly, inefficiently, or worse, result in complete equipment failure. And you may not know it, but most of the power being delivered to your building or facility is not at the quality level required to properly support your electric-powered equipment. Here's the problem. There are many factors that can negatively impact the power supply in your building, both from internal and external sources. Externally, the power coming from your local electric utility can be delivered over or under the voltage level needed. Often, the power supply is out of balance, causing sags or spikes that can bring building brownouts or surges and can damage equipment. And there are power factor issues. A low power factor is a common occurrence in commercial and industrial buildings. Buildings with a lot of induction motors are the typical cause of low power factor. When your local electric utility generates power, it often causes sags and spikes. The supply then becomes unbalanced as it travels from the utility grid through the multiple routing centers or conduits. The quality starts to degrade as it travels on its way to your building or facility. When the power supply finally does make it to your building or facility, it's typically over or under the necessary voltage needed. It may also have some harmonics, which can cause the lines in your building to work harder to control the voltage. The problem grows worse when it hits your internal building grid, causing more problems, including creating even more power quality problems. Inside your building, motors starting up cause surges, or they can drop off, which instantaneously changes the load the building needs. The harmonics can be distorted, increasing the probability of resonance that can cause overheating of cables and equipment, loss of efficiency in electric machines, electromagnetic interference with communication systems, and more. Imbalanced motor voltages from variable frequency drives or induction motors can increase the operating temperature and energy losses of those motors. In fact, these voltages can magnify the current imbalance of a motor as much as 20 times. The result? Your energy costs are higher, maintenance costs are higher, carbon emissions are higher, while your profits, building value, and even tenant satisfaction levels are all lower than you want. Remember, buildings and facilities waste billions of dollars each year because of power quality issues. $35 billion is lost each year through increased equipment maintenance and repair costs, while $38 billion is lost each year from wasted energy spend as a direct result of those power grid issues. What's the solution then? Well, the right solution is Power Management Optimization as a service that analyzes and then automatically adjusts your common building power issues, thereby reducing downtime, reducing equipment failures, and lowering your energy costs, with a guaranteed savings of up to 12% on your electric spend. And best of all, without requiring any capital or debt from you. So all those high energy and maintenance costs and high carbon emissions can be reduced while improving building value and tenant satisfaction. Power Management Optimization improves the harmonics of the power supply in your building, extending the life expectancy of your equipment. It lowers your building's electricity consumption with a guaranteed savings of up to 12% on your electric spend. It also eliminates power spikes and sags from interfering with your business operations and the use of machinery. You only get a consistent, high level of quality energy. This protects your assets from repair or replacement, extending their lifespan. The power lines throughout your building operate at a significantly cooler temperature, too, reducing power line loss. And you can monitor your energy consumption across your entire building, giving you the ability to provide maintenance needs before they become an issue, helping you prevent potential equipment failure at critical usage times. But power management optimization can also do much more. It can also help you better identify operational problems within your building or facility that waste energy, highlighting the best opportunities for energy upgrades with a window into how your building can improve its energy consumption overall. Now, if you're wondering if this will work for your building or facility, the answer is a resounding yes. Power management optimization works for all kinds of buildings, including hospitals and managed care facilities, schools, colleges and universities, hotels and hospitality properties, manufacturing facilities, and of course, commercial buildings and facilities of all sizes. And best of all, you don't have to pay for any equipment or installation, because we make the investment for you. We'll install and maintain a complete power management optimization program for your building or facility without requiring any capital or debt from you. And you will pay less for both the energy you consume and the maintenance for the equipment that you currently spend now. Here's how it all works. First, we conduct a full on-site energy audit at your building or facility to gather the right data needed about your situation. We work very closely with your team as we plan the proper power management optimization solution that meets both your performance and aesthetic requirements. Next, our team of energy experts designs and installs the equipment necessary for the power management optimization solution platform. You can choose your own energy contractor for the installation, or we can provide one from our nationwide network of qualified and tested installers. Our power management optimization as a service completely removes the capital and debt requirements for your building. There's no upfront cost, it's not a loan, and it won't impact your debt ratios, lines of credit, or conflict with your other core purchases. The savings start on day one and are guaranteed, all without you needing to provide a single dollar out of pocket or having any new debt added to your balance sheet. And better still, we continue to service and maintain any of the equipment installed throughout the entire term of the agreement, taking the maintenance burden off of your shoulders. There's no capital required. There is no debt required. To see for yourself how this can work for your building and your situation, schedule a free, no-obligation consultation. We'll show you how a power management optimization program can deliver you a guaranteed savings up to 12% of your electric spend without requiring any capital or debt whatsoever. This is the future of energy efficiency. We've been making energy efficiency easy for more than 27 years. Let us show you how we can do the same for your building or facility. Contact us now for a free, no-obligation expert consultation about how power management optimization can benefit you.